Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titignan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong June 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa tarot reading services extended hanggang May 31, 2024. Okay, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto niyo mag-book. Okay, Aquarius, unahin natin yung mga in a relationship na Aquarius. What's up, Aquarius, in a relationship? For Aquarius. What's coming? 5 of Wands. Nako. Maaring magkaroon kayo ng misunderstanding, conflict ng person mo. This is also about competition. So, pwedeng you are competing with each other. Kung sino mas magaling, kung sino mas successful. You have the Sun, and then the Hierophant. And then the King of Cups. Okay. I think this is a healthy competition para sa inyo. Siguro gusto nyo lang na i-push yung isa't isa to each other's limit, no? Na, kaya mo yan, sige, pagpatuloy mo yan. With the Sun, this is happiness, commitment, courage, at confidence sa relationship ninyo. With the Hierophant and the King of Cups, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng meron kayong plans of settling down. Either yung iba pwedeng kasal na kayo or may plans of getting into a very serious commitment, no? What is the 5 of Wands? Ano tong challenge na to? What is the 5 of Wands? Page of Cups. Pwedeng may rito, selos, no? Na pwedeng meron kayong pag-awayan dahil sa selos. Maraming reason para magselos ang isang tao. Pwedeng sa social media or merong person from the past. But it's minor issue. What is the Sun? The 3 of Pentacles. Oo, ayusin nyo naman yan. Kung ano man yung magiging issue ninyo, problema ninyo. I feel like you are also very supportive of each other sa trabaho nyo, sa career ninyo, sa mga projects ninyo together. What is the Hierophant? You have the Hermit. I feel like some of you, meron kayong karelasyon na para siyang matanda na. Yung pwedeng physically older sa'yo or someone na maraming wisdom. Marami na siyang alam. Someone na parang ang turing mo sa kanya, teacher, or someone na marami kang matututunan. What is the King of Cups? The 9 of Swords. 9 of Swords is conflict sa mga iniisip mo. So, pwede kasi rito na ang isang maging issue ninyo sa relationship ninyo is yung pag-overthink. Na baka kaya siya mabait dito kasi ganito, may interest siya. Or pwede kasing reversal yung roles na ikaw mabait ka sa isang person na pwedeng ma-misinterpret ng person mo, ng karelasyon mo, ng lover mo, at isipin na meron kang gusto doon. Alam mo yun? So, this may create some conflict between the two of you. So, ang importante lang dyan is you are open para pag-usapan. Oo. Kasi pag masyado na rin namang, toxic yung situation, paulit-ulit na lang, then maybe it's time for you to reconsider or reassess. I-reassess yung situation ninyo kung ipagpapatuloy nyo pa. Let's see, ano pa. Beauty queen. O, kaya naman pala kasi dito sa relationship na to, meron dito na very attractive. So, paaring yung person mo very attractive or ikaw attractive. Kaya, prone siya sa mga admirers. So, syempre, pag maraming admirers, may tendency na magselos yung person that you are dealing with. Career. Career-oriented. I mean, maaring both of you are career-oriented, focused on your goals and your dreams. You have home. Oh. So, kung kayo ay hindi pa nagsasama together, so there is a possibility that you will focus on building your home together in the future. Pero kung kayo ay magkasama na sa bahay, I think mas isi-strengthen ninyo ang inyong relationship. Yun nga lang, hindi may iwasan yung selos-selos. Baka yan yung maging challenge ninyo ngayong June. Especially that, pwede kasing yung isa sa inyo, it's either ikaw or the person that you're dealing with ay nagiging maganda yung estado sa trabaho. Minsan may tendency na i-insecure yung partner, no? Partner mo or siya, no? Or ikaw sa success ng isa't isa. So, mas maganda dyan, you just have to be supportive sa isa't isa para pareho kayo aangat, diba? Ano yung feelings ng person mo? I feel this sexual energy between us, yet it's beyond physical attraction. It needs to be elevated to the expression of deep, unconditional love. So, there's so much passion in this connection. So, very passionate yung person mo. I also see na dito kayo mas nagiging, ang tawag dyan, dito kayo mas compatible when it comes to your sexual energies. So, how about you? Yung feelings mo sa person mo. I'm struggling with codependency. I'm afraid to let go of my old coping mechanism. Yan. So, ito yung codependency. Maaring may mga bagay na hindi mo kayang i-let go na pattern na paulit-ulit na nangyayari sa'yo or iniisip mo or behavior mo sa relationship. Example, ikaw yung tipong may selosa, no? Sa relationship na hindi mo kayang i-let go. So, kung yan ay hahayaan mo lang na mangyari paulit-ulit, pwede itong makasira sa relationship ninyo. Any unhealthy habits that you need to let go of para mag-improve or may magbago for the better sa relationship ninyo, gawin mo, diba? Take a chance on love. When we love, our lives are changed forever. So, maaring taking chances, giving your person another chance. Kung merong pagkakamali, no? Hindi naman dapat agad, away na or hindi na kayo magpapansinan or you will end the relationship just because of a single mistake. Dahil yung relationship nga is about growing with each other, and yung growth na yan, nangyayari rin yan kapag nagkakaroon ng mistakes, and natututunan natin yung lesson ng mistakes na yon. Okay, so that is for the in a relationship. Now let's see naman yung mga singles na Aquarius. Aquarius singles. What's coming? Meron bang love na parating? Oh, Ace of Cups. Parang meron, no? Ace of Cups. May bagong parating na person sa buhay nyo. Mga single na Aquarius, is there a new person? What's coming? Sa mga Aquarius ngayong June 2024, singles. Is there a new person coming in? Oh my God, lovers. Nako can be a Gemini or pareho ninyo na Gemini. I know, Yeah, can be a Gemini. Pareho yung air signs. Gemini or isang Taurus. Four of Pentacles. Wow, okay. This person pwedeng ma-meet nyo siya sa trabaho, sa workplace. Yeah, maaring meron ditong, yung iba ha, maaring nagkakaroon na ng interest ng person mo sa'yo. This can be a very serious relationship. Oo. Pwede rin tong unexpected na connection. And I think, if you feel like you are stable na, no? Stable ka na financially, and this person is also stable financially, I feel like mauuwi to sa isang kasalan. Simple acts of kindness. Kindness energizes you and brings happiness to those around you. I feel like this person, meron siyang gagawin na sweet sa'yo. Or, yeah, tapos dun mo ma-recognize na, may potential itong person na to. Then, eventually, this person magiging very close sa'yo. Parang mabilis lang yung pangyayari dito eh. You might fall in love with this person right away. Or pareho kayo mafo-fall. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. Bye!